Welcome back, everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com, and we're learning the Angular 4. So guys, we've just talked about the Angular a lot more, but now we just need to talk about the real important thing, the component. You just heard about the component, that everything in the Angular application is actually a component. Now, what is a component and how we can work on it? Suppose if you just go to the browser here, you can see that this is the Angular main website. Now you can see that this whole area means the content area is actually a component. The header area is another component, and absolutely there will be a footer area. However, this website has no sidebar, but if it has a sidebar, then the sidebar will be the another component, and this is another component. And also, as I said, that this area is a component. Maybe it can have multiple components inside it too, like the logo component, the navigation component, and the search component. This is how the Angular works. So really simple and really easy. I'm gonna go to the IntelliJ again, and I'm just gonna make the component. Now here, this is our website, so we just can make multiple components in it too. The content, we just put the content, different kind of content, the header content, the footer content, or etc. any components. So this is why we use the components. I'm going to the notepad, sorry, not the notepad, it's the IntelliJ IDEA, the IDA. So I'm just making another component now. The app is actually a single component, okay? This app is a single component, and this is the CSS of this app component, this is the HTML of this app component, and this is a TS file of this app component. Now this is the main application component. Now if you just want to make some more components, you can just nest them inside it. And how you will do this? By right clicking on this folder and just making a new folder inside it. Now I'm just renaming it like the content component, okay, component. Click on the save button or OK button. Now we got the folder inside this application app folder. Now we are going to make some files inside this folder. I'm just going to click on new button and click on file button, and there I'm just going to put the file name, and the file name is the application, sorry, the content. Now we just need these files, the HTML file, the TS file. These are really important files, the component.ts file, the HTML file. Also, if we're just going to apply the CSS, then we will be needing to make this the component.css file too. So for now, another thing is, always remember that the name of the file is the content component. I'm just closing this one and just go there. Wait for a while. I'm just simply going to the refactor and renaming the folder, and I'm just only putting the content, okay, not the content component. Okay, so now this is the content area. I'm just going inside it and just making a file inside it, and the file name is the content dot component. Now the component dot HTML. Okay, I've made the HTML file here. Yes, I just want to save this file. And now another file, you can see that there is a file inside the content. Right click on it and just go to the new button again and click on file button. And now I'm just going to make the another file, the content, okay, dot component, spelling must be clear, dot ts. Okay, just save this file again. Okay, click on yes button. Now we've got two files here, the component.ts, not the j, sorry, the component.html file. For now, we do not need the the CSS file. Now, what about the module file? I just want to clear a few things about the module file. However, this is another component, but obviously this is inside the main application component. Also, we use the module for the main module.ts file for all parts of the application, all components of the application. So this will be the main. Unless we have a kind of very big scale application, if we have such kind of things, then we have to split the modules for every component if it's necessary. But for this kind of application, simple application or websites, this is really not necessary. We just can make a single module and we can simply put content in it like we did here. We just can use this module.ts file for this component too. but absolutely the TS file for the component and the HTML file for the component is necessary, and for the whole application module file should be single. Now I'm just gonna go there to the content.component.ts. It will be absolutely just like the app.component.ts, means the main file. This was the main file, the main application component.ts file. First of all, what we did here, we just imported the component from the Angular core, and then we just used that, and then we just exported the class app component. Okay, the app component is actually the app.component, but here we're just simply calling app component in its way. So these are all the elements we just need to know. So I'm just gonna do the same with the this component.ts. I'm just going there. If I just directly call the components and the parentheses, and inside the parentheses the curly braces, but there you can see that there are components and directive ts and whatever. So I just need to go there, and first of all I'm just importing it, because importing is an important part. And the curly braces, inside the curly braces, call the component space, and now mention from the import component from the curly braces, the single quotes, and $angular core. Okay, yes, this is what I just want, Angular core. All good. I'm just going inside the components, and there inside the components we just need to mention a few things: the selector, the template URL, and the styling URL. If we just go there and just look at it, the selector, the template URL, and the style URLs. So it is really not typical to do selector. Okay, and then the value for the selector is, I'm just putting as app content. Hey, come on, let's just content. Okay, so then just go down and the template URL, and here I'm just putting the value for the template URL. It'll be the content dot component dot spelling mistake dot html. Okay, means I'm just mentioning this one, the content dot component dot html. Okay, cool. Now I just need to go further, and actually what I just need to do for now, I just need to export it. Export this class, and here the content component. Okay, awesome, cool braces. Okay, that's done. So now here, this is the content component.html file, which has nothing for now. I'm just putting here the content. Okay, simply, or why not I just put this inside the p tag content. Okay, awesome. Now there I just imported the file. I just made the component, set it up the component, and now I'm just going to the module. And actually module is what, the place where we just combine and compile all the files together, bind all the files together. I'm just going down here at the very top. That here we just imported the app component. In the same way, I just need to import the the content component. Awesome. Okay, now from here, remove this line break and then the application address. Now remember that because we are just inside the module.css, so this file is not directly inside it. We have to go through the content. So the content folder first, / the content.component.ts. okay, from there we're just we just do not need to put the ts. Actually, this is not the Angular script, it is the TypeScript way, so it doesn't need the extension. It has its own way. So there, in a declaration, adding a comma. Remember that what I'm just doing, add a comma, like we just imported the new file. In the same way, I'm just adding the content component. Okay, that's awesome, and nothing more we just need to do for now. There we just did something wrong. If they're just telling the content, inside the content, the I see there is a spelling mistake. Right click on it and just go to the refactor, and inside the refactor I'm just changing the name. The name should be here. I'm just going there, removing the double M and just refactor. Now it's clear. Now just go to the, here we're inside the module ts. Okay, all the files are good. Now good to go. We just need to go to the browser, we just need to check that out, and there it's having some error. Refresh the file, and now still it's just telling me it just cannot find the component. It means we did something wrong, and we need to find what we did as wrong. Content component spelling is true, and find dot content dot app that is a problem, but this is not the problem for now. It shouldn't be like that. The content component, all things are actually fine. Then what is the problem? Content.component.html. Let's just put the semicolon there and save it. Now go to the browser back and refresh the page. Okay, it's working. Maybe that was a problem, so just ignore that problem because that was nothing big. Now I'm just going to the next step. Here we just put it the content, the content, but absolutely there is nothing we mention in extra.html, and absolutely this page is actually visible there. So to get the data of this component.html, we just need to go to the app.component.html, and here I'm just calling that, just like I just called app root there to the index.html. I'm just calling the app content there, and now save it. Now go to the browser, and here you can see that the content is there. That means it's working. Now if we just update anything inside the file, I'm just typing here something like new content and save it. Now go to the browser and you will be seeing that the new content will be there. That means it's working perfectly and fine. So guys, in next class we'll be learning some more things. Stay tuned, and as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment and we will meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.